Hello guys, for those of you that want to learn how to pronounce in Urhobo, this is the easier way for you to learn. In Urhobo, we have 47 alphabet. But I only want to teach you the easier way how you can pronounce in Urhobo. Now, let's talk about vowel sounds in Urhobo. Vowel sounds in Urhobo. We call it Ibietaruwo. Vowel sounds in Urhobo. Ibietaruwo. This P. Ibietaruwo. Now, we have 7 alphabets that represent in this vowel sound. These are the vowel sounds. They are 7 alphabets. They are 7 alphabets. In English language, this is called A, but in Urhobo language, it's called A. In English language, this is called E, but in Urhobo language, it's called A. Now, in Urhobo language, we have 2 E, but one has dot at the bottom. This dot now changes A to E. It's not pronounced as E because it has dot. Most people use the dot at the up, while some use it at the bottom. It's pronounced as E. Then in English language, it's called I, but in Urhobo language, it's called E. In English language, it's called O, but in Urhobo language, it's called O. In Urhobo language, we have 2 O, but one carries dot at the bottom, which changes O to O. This O is not pronounced as O because it carries dot at the bottom. In English language, it's called U, but in Urhobo, it's called U. Now, let's go. Read after me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. If you can able to know this vowel sound, it will be easier for you to pronounce in Urhobo. If you can able to know to differentiate these letters, you can able to identify these letters in any Urhobo spelling, it will be easier for you to pronounce in Urhobo. Now let's make example with them. Now, examples of vowel sounds in Urhobo. First of all, we want to make use of this A. Now, this A now, I use it to write ame, which is water. Which is water. Now, let's make use of this A, which is this E in English language that is pronounced as A in Urhobo. Sorry, okay, let me use 1, 2. Emu, Shana, which is food. Food. Now let's make use of this E that carries dot at the bottom, which is E. Eto. Now let's make example with this I, which is E, is pronounced in Urhobo as E. Ego is clearly. Ego, money. Now let's make example with this O, which is O. Oze basin. Now let's make example with this or. Omo, it means child. Omo, it means child. Now let's make example with this u, which is this u in English language. It's pronounced in Urhobo as u. Uko, cup. So guys, Uko, cup. So guys, this is all I want to teach you about vowel sound today. Now let's go through what we have written. So read after me this. Vowel sound in Urhobo. Ibietaruwo. In Urhobo, in the vowel sound, we have 7 letters that represent. We have 7 letters, which is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Then examples of vowel sound in Urhobo. Now let's make example with these 7 letters that are here. 1. Ame, water. Ame, water. Ame, water. Emu, food. Emu, food. Oh, sorry. This has to carry dot. Eto, hair. Eto, hair. Ego, money. Ego, money. Oze, basin. Oze, basin. Omo, child. Omo, child. Uko, cup. Uko, cup. So guys, this is all we have for you. If you know you enjoyed this teaching, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and share with others to learn as well. And if you are seeing this video from Facebook, I beg, if you never follow us, click that follow button make you follow us. Like this video, share this video, and if you are wherever you have seen this video, just like, follow us, subscribe. God bless you. Urhobo Wado, Urhobo Kpako TV.